the autistic man with a plan here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the Wurst Hacked client on a Chromebook. So, yeah, Wurst is not a virus, so it's completely safe to use. Not although on servers, but you won't get hacked. First thing you want to do is install fabricinstaller.jar, and you want to name it just plain up Fabric. Then, once you do that, you want to copy it. Wait, it's already in the Linux files, never mind. Then you want to if it's not in the Linux files already, you want to take it from download to the Linux files, just undercase fabric.jar, lowercase. Then you want to close that. Next thing you do is you do this. Everything that you have to do will be in the link in the description, I remind you. So you're going to want to open up terminal. Alright, so if it just did what it did to me, then it should have worked. Now you want to go to Java jar fabric.jar, just like that, and it should open up. Alright, so lower version latest, and boom, ready to install. Alright, there we go. Now we have done that, we can go to this, which Fabric API is what a lot of these mods require. So we're going to download this. Now you're going to want to go to See Hidden Files, and then you're going to want to go .minecraft. Now you may not actually have a mods folder already, but let's just pretend that mods folder isn't there. Now we're going to want to create a new folder called mods. There we go. And then we're going to want to put it in there. Just like that. Alright, so now we are done with that. You will go to Wurst Hacked client, go to the latest release, which is this. Wait, one sec. There we go. Now you're going to want to go to the latest version. Blah, 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 blah. And then this. Now, you're going to want to go Linux files again. Show hidden files, .minecraft, mods. Then you save it right there. And then you open up your Minecraft. Alright, so once you have signed in, you're going to want to go, you will see this, Fabric Loader 1.19.3. And it's going to say this installation is unsafe, but it is. Unless you're on an old version. So then you're going to want to wait for it. There we go. Come on. Don't mind the background noise. That's just my family. Alright, so as you can see, Wurst is on. We have our alt. And you can open up the thing using left curl. No, right curl. Okay, that's the end of the video. Have a good one.